Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Worth Guitars. Today we're going to put some color on the Nomad build. Nomad, the neck is glued in. You guys have been watching this going along. The neck is glued into the body. It's sanded. It's ready for color. And we're going to put some color in here. We're going to do a turquoise into dark blue burst on the front. And I'm going to try to do it on the headstock too. The headstock will be a little tougher because it's kind of small. But we're going to try to make that happen today. We're working on a neck also over here. We got our neck jig, trying to make this neck a little bit thinner. And I'll show you how this jig works here in a little bit. I mean, it's obvious how it works, but we made a cool little jig this morning to hold it in when it has frets on it already. It works out pretty well. Steve is working on that. Say hey, Steve.
Hey, Steve.
Steve is here. Show them your face, Steve, so they know you exist. There's Steve. All right. So let's do the color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the dark color on the outside first, and then I'm going to put the turquoise on and try and blend it into the dark, to the darkness. All right? So let's get it done. This is always a little nerve-wracking when I do this because it's, you know, you don't want it to go wrong, obviously, but it's not. It's going to be perfect. It'll be beautiful. All right, a little bit of blue, and let's do the outside edge here. And this blue is blue. This blue is not joking around, is it, Steve?
No, that's really pretty blue.
This is about as blue as it gets. And we're just going to go around this outside edge like this. All the way around. Hopefully there's enough in the rag to get all the way around. Get up inside here. That's always a tough spot right there. Right there where the neck meets the body. Like that. Put this one over here. Might as well just hit that spot there. And we'll bring this on around. About to run out of blue. I need just a hair more blue on there. Just a little more. Whoops, I grabbed the turquoise instead of the blue. That's not good. There we go. I'll fix that back up. Let's go around again. Make sure we get the same color all the way around. Good dark color around the outside edge like that. And let's get the headstock. Can you guys see okay? Can they see what they're seeing, Steve? Can they see that? Steve's the cameraman today.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Can they see it all right laying down here?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So then we're going to get this headstock here. Try to do the headstock the same way. See how this works out. Okay, I'll get you up close to do the blend. All right, hold on. That looks good. Okay, let's take a different color now and do our blend. This is where the fun starts. Nice turquoise color. And we'll start right here. And we'll start hitting the blend here. Go ahead and blend this out. Like that. Okay, that's looking good. It's got a cool vibe to it, doesn't it? Got kind of a good hippie tie-dye vibe going on. That blue is almost purple, isn't it?
Midnight blue.
Midnight blue. All right, last little spot here. This maple's so hard, I almost don't want to take that stain. One thing about maple, man, if you sand it too much, it won't. It doesn't want to take the color. There you go. That looks pretty cool. What do you think, Steve?
I think it looks nice.
That little shit right there. I'm gonna have to get in there with a brush. Just take a little bit of this. Get that right there. Get that color in there. Don't want it sneaking out. There's one little part of this tip right here too we gotta get. There we go. Yeah, man, I like that. That's pretty cool looking. That's gonna look really good with some clear on it. I'm gonna hit this in the middle here a little bit more. And just rub it all down real good. Make sure it fades in real well. Okay, that's the body. I like it. We'll let that dry. It'll always look a little different after it dries. Might want to come back and hit a little more turquoise in there, maybe. I don't know. I want to try to eliminate anything that might look like a kind of a hard edge on there. Blend it in a little better. Like that. All right, let's hit this headstock here. Okay. Let's hit this headstock. Groovy watercolor painting, man. There you go. Okay, I like it. I'm gonna hit this one little area right here just a little bit more. Okay, I don't think I'm going to do anything else. All right, let me move you back out of the way here. Okay, guys, that's the color blend for the Nomad. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm going to work on this area here just a little more off camera. Try and blend that just a little bit more, but that's it. Headstock, body. We'll put some clear on this. She'll be ready to rock. We're just going to do true oil on the back and neck, and lacquer on the front. All right, so that's a quick video today, guys, just to show you that color job there real quick like. And then we're going to get back to work. Steve's got work to do. I got work to do. We're going to work on this neck. We made this little fixture here. We took a, wait a minute, let me get these gloves off and get this out of the way. Hold on, let's make everything safe again. So we got necks that already have the frets in them. Glued the fretboards on, and then we're going to shape them down to get the shape that we want, finish off the back side of the headstock and all of that. So in order to do that, we made this little fixture here that has the frets cut into it. And so it'll clamp right down on there. Like that, with the frets on it. And you can clamp it here, and then you can work on the shape of the neck. If you want to thin the neck out some, you know, take it down a little, whatever you want to do to it. Finish it off. The CNC leaves a little bit on the edge here. So we're just taking the dragon rasp, thinning it out, finishing it off the way we want it to be. And then we also have a place where we can do all the sanding work that needs to be done to it. Just like that. All right? Okay, that's it. That's all I got for you today, guys. Get out there and see some bands. Go see brothers and sisters out there playing in the bars. Have a good time out there. Be safe. Be good to each other. We'll see you out there somewhere, all right? Work Guitars. Peace.